Hello everybody, this is Terry Jeanette with Be Creative, and today's video is all about a doll a week. So today I'm featuring these guys. They're just little dolls that my youngest son played with. I remember when he first got them. I was at a doctor's office. I'm trying to remember who was going to the doctor and what we were going for. It's probably just a checkup. But somebody had left these and he had found them, and we asked the lady at the front desk. She says, I don't know whose they are. They've been there for quite some time. He can have them. So Benjamin actually loved these dolls. So we did bring them home. We cleaned them up a little bit. They need to be cleaned up some more. Or again, rather. But he's now, he's in his 30s. So this was a long time ago. But he loved these things. They fit in his hands really, really nicely. And I've just kept them all these years because he loved them so much. Aren't they cute, though? Probably need to look and see if I can find any information on them. I'm going to do that right now. All right, I did find some information. So let me see if I can get them both on here so you can look at them while I talk about them a little bit. So these small 1 to 2 inch karate dolls from 1986 are known as Soma Master Karate Mini Figures or Soma Ninja Karate Rubber Mini Figures. They were produced in 1986, often sold in packs and marked as arcade or gumball style toys. They're thick PVC rubber. Collectors often find them in lots with varied poses. Okay, so I did find them, here's some more of them. But like I said, he was probably, well, he wasn't alive in 1986. This was more, he was born in the early 90s. So these were old when he probably got them. But aren't they cute? Let me know if you've ever seen anything like these before. And y'all have a great day. This is Terry Jeanette with Be Creative, signing out for now. Bye-bye.